Hi guys, here's Martha, UserEngage. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to send the custom attributes inside your script. So guys, having implemented the script, so in other words, it should look like this. So that's the easiest and the simplest form. The only thing that differs in here should be the API key, because one API key per application. So this element is completely different in your case, but besides, it should look exactly alike. But you may ask, okay, but we have a page, and after logging in by a particular user, I want to send the information about the email address of that person to UserEngage. How to do that? Okay, it's super simple. All you need to do is to go with email, okay, and let's say marta@marta.com. I'm gonna save it. Okay, perfect. And guys, I have already visited my page, and I was identified as a silver brick from Poland. What does it mean? So it is a random name for an anonymous person in order to identify her or him. But I did a short research. I viewed 2 pages, and that's it. But there is not much. And look, I'm gonna refresh the page. Remember, what I did was that I inserted the information about the email address. I refreshed the page. I'm refreshing the page here. And what happened? We have marta@marta.com, so the information about that person has been updated. You may ask, what is that? That's the picture that was taken from Gravatar. Apparently, the person with that email address has inserted the picture in Gravatar, so it was automatically included in here. Okay, but email address, phone numbers, and so on and so forth are standard attributes. And you're like, okay, but for me, it's super important to know what kind of customer Marta is. So let's say I'm gonna have customer type, okay, you're following? VIP, very cool. But how to show UserEngage that it is a custom attribute, and how to, identify that information? First step is to head to your settings, app settings, and now guys, click client attributes. You don't have any custom attributes yet. Add your first attribute. I'm clicking over here, and I'm copying the same attribute that is in here. Customer type, string, which means text description. It shows the type of the customer. Okay, VIP, loyal, and let's say basic. Okay, that's the internal information. I'm gonna save it. I did save it. Customer type. As you can see, the information appeared here in filters. Plus select columns, custom attributes, customer type. Perfect. And what's super important, now I'm saving the data. Okay, I'm going back to my page. I'm refreshing. Perfect. I'm even gonna say hello. Okay, I go back in here, and look what's happening. Not only did the message appear here in the profile, but what's super important is, look at here. We've got the customer type, which is VIP. I go back to people section, and now show me every single person who has any kind of value in customer type. Customer type has any value. Search. Perfect. We have exactly one person who has any value in this custom attribute. And I showed you one thing, because I showed you the customer type as a string. But you may say that, okay, customer type is one thing, but for me, it's more important to show customer value. Customer value, and it's gonna be 145. Okay, I'm gonna save it in a second, but here I do exactly the same. Settings, app settings, client attributes, create, okay, and now I'm gonna have custom customer value. Yeah, I'm gonna just copy it. Okay, customer value, perfect. It reflects the value of a given customer. And guys, I'm gonna save it as integer, so because it won't be a text, okay? These are gonna be numbers. I'm gonna save it. Perfect. I'm gonna save also this. I go back to my page. Okay, I update it. I go back to my page, to Marta. I open the profile, and on the right, VIP, plus, if I go here with update, okay, I'm gonna see customer value. Perfect. And remember, when it comes to integers, you are not supposed to show that number with these two elements. All you need to do is to have the number. I'm gonna save it. Oops, sorry, my bad. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna refresh the page in here. Okay, I'm refreshing the page in here. And look, update, and we will have customer value 145. So I showed you a super common mistake that while inserting the numbers, you should put it in the purest form without any kind of additional symbols, because then the data won't be sent to UserEngage. So customer value, as you can see, it reflects the value of a given customer. So these descriptions are super useful. And you also have the value. If I go here, I will also have customer value 145. Of course, I can now go to people section and look at this. Since I saved it as integer, I can ask the system like, hey, show me every single person whose customer value is greater than 130. Search. So that I will have one person. But if show me every single person whose customer value is greater than 200, there is none. So that because of the integer value type, we are able to filter according to the numbers. So speaking about custom attributes, not only can you send the standard attributes, email, phone number, you can use your own data, your own attributes to send the information that you care about. And as you can see, you can save it as different kind of value types. But remember, before sending it to the system, have it added to settings, app settings, client attributes. And look, if I head over here, I will have, there's one user with customer type and customer value. So it's super simple, but just remember about these two steps. Firstly, edit in here and in settings, app settings. Then you can filter, then you can personalize the entire communication based on the custom attributes. Thank you so much.